Hey, Craig here, Diggs Rod Shop, and I'm excited to let you guys know all the inventory that we have in stock here at Diggs Rod Shop. One of those fine products is American Auto Wire. And if you guys need an American Auto Wire for, I don't care what vehicle you're working on, all that vintage, American Auto Wire is the company to do that with. That's who we use. We've used them for several years, and we've gotten to the point where we've become a dealer for them guys. And you know what an awesome company, American Auto Wire. They keep us supplied with the Highway 22 is what we use in a lot of those trucks. Plus, if you need a standalone system, this is it. If you have something that needs to go into like a 67 to 72 Chevrolet pickup, there's a few variances there, but they've got direct fits for almost any automobile that you're working on. So let us know if you need something like that. We're going to be at Wild Wade's March 22nd, 2026 in Des Moines, Iowa at the Varied Industries building. We're going to set up on Saturday, and Sunday is that show on the 22nd of March. So be there because we're going to have, scads of parts, and I'm going to turn the camera around here in just a second, but we're going to have American Auto Wire with us. We're a dealer for Dynacorns. We have a lot of sheet metal products for most of those Chevrolets. We've got the 47 to 53s. That's what we carry in the Dynacorn. When it comes to the AMD products, we carry quite a few of those because I'm looking right here at an 81 to 87 bedside for a fleet side right there, that short bed. So I've got box sides for those. I've got them for the 67 to 72 Chevrolet pickups. I've got doors, I've got fenders, I've got quarter panel replacements, I've got rocker panel replacements. I've even got new bumpers for the AD trucks and front fenders and hoods and everything else that goes along with that. And I'll bring you around here just in a little bit. But one of the other things I want to show you that we're going to have with us, and we're going to be carrying this with us on the truck too, and that's those 80 trucks, that 47 to 53 Chevrolet. What's important is that for the AC controls right here in the middle and the AC vents, that you can bolt this right up underneath your dash. The one thing that I want to tell you about today that you must have with it that we also supply, and we make this right here in-house, is once you put that lower extension on, you have to have that, if you're going to run your cowl, you're going to have that cowl extension lever too. So we carry that too. And we've got several of those in the stock. So those kind of go with that lower extension right there. And again, we're going to have that at Wild Wade's too. So grab your camera, follow me. As I walk around here, this is a hood for a 47 to 54 Chevrolet pickup. I've got bedsides in here. I've got fenders in here for the square bodies. I've got them for the 67 to 72 Chevrolet pickups. I know that I've got a square body box side right here. I got two of those for different years. And I know in this crate right here, this is a box side also. And this is for a 67 to 72 Chevrolet. Right here, I got to quit saying but we have all the sheet metal replacement parts I can show you for the AD trucks right there. That's that side cowl right there where it rusts out here on the bottom. We have the whole thing. We even have the half pieces right there. In this box right here, this is a direct replacement for a 69 to 72 fender. I've got front fenders, and like I said, I have rear fenders for the step sides also, but those are front fenders for the 67 to 72. I also have them for the square bodies too. Here's a set of bumpers that I have for the AD trucks. If you pan over there real quick, you can see I have running boards. I have front fenders right there. I have front header panels. And again, there's another fender without the signal in it. So that's for a 67 Chevrolet pickup right there, the C10. Over here on this shelf, you can see I've got inner fender wells sitting on the floor here. They're all kind of all covered up. That's for the C10s. And the other cool thing about it is we have rocker panels. So if you guys need rocker panels too, we have those for not only the C10s, but we have them for the square bodies also. We have got a ton, probably more than that, heavier, of sheet metal products in the 67 to 72. We've got them from 73 to 87, all the sheet metal products there that both of those companies carry. We carry them now in stock, so we have them when we come to the show. Wild Wade's, March 22nd, 2026, Varied Industries building, and that's at the Des Moines Fairgrounds in Des Moines, Iowa. So we'll see you guys there. If you need something that is very specific to your build, give us a call. We'll make sure we bring it with us. If we can get it here in time, call, see, we might have it in stock. So with that said, this is Craig, Diggs Rod Shop. Thanks for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe and please share these videos. We really appreciate it. We'll catch you guys out on the road.